all, let me introduce myself. My name is Adelia Fitri from the Sharia Accounting Department. This time I will tell you how I spend my free time. Just a few days ago I had free time which I used to scroll social media and spend time with my family in the family room by telling lots of stories to each other, interspersed with eating snack or old cakes. When I ate the snacks, I remembered my childhood where I always spent my free time buying snack and playing with my peers and childhood friends. There weren't many things I didn't in my free time because it was basically when I have free time, I do what I want to do, whether it's washing clothes, cleaning the bed, lying down, or even playing with my cute nephew. It's not uncommon for most of my free time to be filled only with sleep, but there are times when I will realize that I am a student who has the responsibility to the assignment when I have free time. And yes, there is one thing that I probably can't forget, namely when I was a child, I went with my grandmother and grandfather and left my parents here. When I was little, I was very close to my grandparents. I was even willing to go with them to migrate to Jakarta and sell ketoprak there. When I was only about 3 or 4 years old, I prepared to create moment with the two of them. I like it even tough. I didn't have many peers there, but I had a small friend there, and even then because we were neighbors. Let's call him Bagas. Bagas' child was kind and cheerful, but it was sad to remember he can't see because he's sick. It's not uncommon for me to join grandma and grandpa in selling from morning to evening. In the morning, I usually prefer breakfast with uduk rice and ting ting candy. When grandpa and grandma were selling, I didn't really help them because they said I could just sit quietly and buy a cake once in a while. During the 3 years I lived in Jakarta, I didn't feel that I was old enough to enter school, which meant I needed to go back to my village and go to school properly. I also went home with my grandfather and grandmother, who happened to be where my grandmother and grandfather were selling, and couldn't be a couple because they were going to do it. Eviction and eviction of eviction of land to within the road to be made into a toll road. Like it not, we went back to our hometown and I said goodbye to Bagas because I was going home. But there was one moment that made a bigger impression on my heart, namely the moment when my grandfather and grandmother and I sat on the balcony of the house looking at the night light illuminated illumin, illuminated by the light of the moon and stars.